Hello guys, just we feel it the nice pool after our work, so just enjoy ourselves. We done our work now, so we just little play here. And I'm just relaxing for a while guys, because I'm too tired. Just done our work and we just do little video here. Nice to live here. It's so nice. There's the sunset. Let's go guys, let's go home now. We done our work. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Done our work. Bye.